Good morning, my loves. Welcome back to Dee's Kitchen. So today we're going to fix Cracker Barrel French toast bread. So for this recipe, you will need salt. And I'm so sorry about the morning glow in here today. Sugar. Vanilla flavor. 2 eggs, cup of milk, and French toast spread. Well, Texas toast spread, sorry. Let's get started. Okay, so starting off, you need a bowl and you want to whisk together your eggs. So I'm just gonna crack my eggs here. Now, just get that out the way. You want to get your 1 cup of milk. I have my measuring spoons here, and you want 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. You want your vanilla flavor, and you want 4 teaspoons of vanilla flavor. And for your salt, you just want to pinch of salt. There's like 2 pinches of salt. So I pour some salt in my hand. 1, 2, over the shoulder for good luck, as Rachel Ray say. You want to whisk that together. Whisk it really good. Make sure that the eggs is very well beat it up so it look like liquid, like that. Okay. Next, you're gonna take your griller, or if you have a skillet for your stove, you can use that. But I'm gonna use my griller, so I'm gonna place it on 350. Okay, place that on 350. I'm gonna let that warm up. And I'm going to spray it with cooking oil, non-stick cooking spray. So it's heating up. Oh yeah, she getting there. So in the meantime, I'm gonna take my bread. My bread here, and I'm gonna place it on one side for 30 seconds, so you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay. And then you want to flip it over and do that side for 30 seconds. I'm not going to count again. Next, you want to just take it out, place it on your griddle, put your next piece of bread in, so you want to cook it until it's golden brown. Flip this over. So it's about 4 to 5 minutes. We get our next piece out. Now what I like to do is, let's see if I can find some. So we're just gonna flip it over here. Ooh, try not to tear it. Oh, they are cooked beautifully. Go ahead and drop my other bread in. And what I like to do, I like to add just a tab of cinnamon. You can add it into the egg mixture, or you can just add it on top. They're just my little secret. This is not Cracker Barrel's idea, so this is optional. Flip my other piece of bread over. And I'm gonna do one more slice. So I'm gonna do 4. Okay, take this piece of bread out. Place the other one in. See, that side is not as brown as that side, so I'm gonna just turn this one back over. And allow it to finish cooking. Sprinkle my sugar, my cinnamon, sorry. Multitasking here. I'll flip this bread over. This in a bowl, my last one. And all we do is we just sit and wait. So I'm gonna take this bread out. This one probably ready to flip. Let's see. Yep. So this one is ready to be flipped. This one is almost ready. Almost. So while those are cooking, sprinkle a little sugar, cinnamon. I keep saying sugar. Sprinkle a little cinnamon. As you see, just ground cinnamon. Sprinkle that. You get your bowl. And just place them in a bowl as they get done. Really easy recipe, and they really good too. When I fix this recipe, I normally have to do about 8 slices, but since the kids is in school today, I only do 4. Good morning. So let's check our bread. Yes, that's what you want, that golden brown texture on both sides. This one probably ready for flip. Yes. Ready for flip. This one probably ready for flip. Yep, it's nice and firm. And this one ready for flip. So after those get done, I place those in my bowl. Then I have one more I have to wait for. Yes, and I like my French toast with fruit. You know, you can serve yours however you like it, but me, I like mine with fruit. So this one a little bit more firm. Okay, so this one is ready. This one is ready. This one want to be a little stubborn. Maybe I need to put it up here with a little more heat at it. Let's see. Flip that one. That one won't quite ready to be flipped. Okay, she almost there. Ain't quite brown on the other side yet for me. All right, and this one is ready. We have one more. One more. This is a great breakfast idea for any morning, for any occasion. Okay, like 2 more minutes or less. Let's see. All right, There we go. So, just to unplug this griller real quick. Very hot. We have here Cracker Barrel French toast bread, Cracker Barrel style. Very easy, very simple recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed my video of my French toast bread Cracker Barrel style. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.